discussing a concept of English which is modals. Modals are basically those words which are used to express some kind of obligation, or they are going to tell us some responsibility or probability or a promise or assumptions, etc. Modals are also known as type of auxiliary verb. Some of the modals are will, would, can, could, may, might, should. But today in this video specifically we will be focusing on the modal have to. Now have to modal is used to show some kind of obligation to help others or towards others. So have to, the definition of have to is that have to, this modal is used with an infinitive to show some obligation. So whenever we have to show some kind of obligation towards others, we will use the modal have to with an infinitive. Example of this type of modal can be I have to reach there by 5 o'clock. When I am saying I have to reach there, now it is my obligation that I have to reach there by 5 o'clock. So it is my responsibility to reach there by 5 o'clock. So for that I am making use of my modal have to. Here have to is my modal. Now a modal can also be used as must. Modal have to can be used as must, and here it is used to show some kind of responsibility. So when we are using modal have to as must, that shows some kind of responsibility. So for that I can use the example as I have to meet him there. Now I have to meet him there. This is my responsibility that since I have promised to meet him, therefore I have to meet him there. So then my responsibility occurs at that point of time, that if I have promised someone something, then that it is our responsibility to fulfill that promise. So here the promise made is to meet him there. Therefore it is the responsibility of the person to meet the other person. We can also use have to in a negative form, like I have not to meet him now. So I have not means I need not meet him now. So have to, here it is used in a positive sense. Here it is used in a negative manner. I have not to meet him now. It can be need not. Another example can be I had to leave for office in the morning. I had to leave. Here have to is for the present and here had to is for the past. So this is my past tense, but my modal is the same. So modal have to used in a past tense. I had to leave for the meeting in the morning, but I did not. So I had to here indicates the past tense. So this is all about modal have to. Like I said that it can be used as must. So when it is used as must, it indicates some kind of responsibility. But when we are using have to, this is the responsibility of oneself, right? My responsibility, your responsibility. But when we are using have to, it shows some kind of obligation to help others. So obligation to help others, at that time we are making use of the modal have to. So in this video, we have studied about modals, and specifically we have focused on the modal have to. Have to is used to show some kind of obligation towards someone, and have to can also be used as must. Have to is used with an infinitive. The example was, I have to reach there by 5 o'clock, so this was my obligation. We also implemented various other examples of have to understand this modal more clearly.